Hi guys, and welcome to Children's Literature. This link is available under the Get Started section in Blackboard, but the information under Getting Started is the same as from your email. I want to talk to you a little bit about the course. So we are studying the units. The textbooks that you will need are listed. You can buy paperback and any versions of these. I'll be talking in terms of chapters. So I want you to do whatever is best for you in terms of hardback or whatever version you can get a hold of. We will be using Blackboard, and so you can see their directions on how to get on there, and we'll talk about that later. We will be studying units, and so the units are really comprised of the different types of literature that we're discussing. So we're going to have an introduction, and all the assignments, except whenever it's highlighted, are due Friday. When there's a paper, I will have a Monday and a sort of a different due date, but that will be under each week. The course policies are right here. So attendance is kind of, this is an online course, but you get out what you put in. So make sure that you're proactive. I know that things happen. So if you do have an issue with an assignment, please get a hold of me as soon as possible so that we can work something out to get you where you need to be. So the assignments need to be turned in, the day of. You do have the ability to make up works between 1 through 7 and then 8 through 14 for 70% of that work. But like I said, please get in touch with me so that I'm able to make accommodations for you if need be. Communication, I do absolutely want you to contact me. And the best way is probably, if it's a short question, via text or a phone call. As sometimes it's just easier to get those things taken care of quickly. I do have student hours, and that it will be Mondays from 9 to 9:50. I can find an on-campus time as well, but they'll be conducted via Zoom. I give you a list of things to do in order to succeed, and that's really just kind of being proactive and staying on top of the game, but also reaching out for help. I want to be there and help you, but I won't know what issues you're having if you don't let me know. So please be in contact with me. The Writing Center is available. There are virtual office hours. You can click on this link as well. There are many resources on campus to help you. There's academic support with all the tutoring services. There's emotional support through the counseling office, food support through Sandy's Pantry, and you can go to that link, and accommodation support. If you need accommodations, please let me know so that I can assist you, and please feel free to contact this office at this link. I shared with you my information, and then these are what I consider to be both of our responsibilities. Please know that I'm here to help, and I ask that you extend me grace as I'll be extending you grace. But please know we are in this together, and I'm here to help you in any way. The weekly work will be right here. You will see it, and you will see the deadlines, the estimated time to complete, and you should be able to click through there and get through the work fairly easily. But if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me. I still look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.